vlog. Look at my birthday cake. I forgot to show you guys earlier, and you know I had to take a bite out of it, but look at how good it looks. It was red velvet, and these are chocolate. So cute.
You know me better than I do. Can't seem to keep nothing from you. Nobody ever.
Hey vlog. I'm not even gonna lie vlog. I forgot to record a lot of stuff that I did this weekend. My birthday weekend was a success. I did go out to eat. And I went to a comedy show with my family. And I wish I would have vlogged, but you know how you just be in a moment and like you don't think to record. But I really had a good time. I said I was gonna show you guys my nails. I didn't even show you my nails. I just got simple black French tip, really cute and simple. Shorties for me always, because I hate long nails. It's just like a chill day. I'm on my way to Burlington. You know Burlington is my store because they be having anything that you might need, any miscellaneous item they have in Burlington. So yeah, hopefully we can find some good stuff, guys. You already know I gotta come straight to the chaotic part. But so far I found these cotton pads, and there's 100 in here, 3 packs, and this $5. Okay, so this is rose and vitamin E oil. For one, it smells so good. And look at the consistency of it. Like, look, I'm gonna put some on my skin. Like, and it smells so good. I definitely need to get this. So I started to do my hair, and then I was like, why would I attempt to do this? All right, now let's get to it. So I've been trying to learn how to do my own quick weave. This is like the second or third time that I've done it. I still have some learning to do, but I feel like each time I'm definitely getting better, and I know what mistake I made previously.
You know me better than I do. Can't seem to keep nothing from you. Nobody ever love me like you do. I'd love to see me from your point of view. I'm getting used to receiving.
It looks so funny because one of my bundles were straight and the other was body wave, so it does not match at all. But just trust the process, okay? It didn't come out completely crazy.
I'm getting high, closer to
as you can see, the ends are so choppy. I did not have the right scissors, okay? I was trying to cut them with regular scissors and not hair scissors. That's why it came out looking like that. But overall, I get it a 7 out of 10. We getting there. I'm going to a gender reveal today. I'm team girl, as you can tell. Let me back up so you can see my outfit. Team girl, I'm so excited. I just have a feeling like it's a girl. We gonna see soon. And I got me a pumpkin spice cappuccino. Usually I get Wawa's cappuccinos, but this one from Dunkin', they both chef's kiss.
Team girl! Hey! Where's Frank and Vivian? Team girl! Macho! Where's Frank?
This should be illegal. This should be inside.
Go, girl. Go, girl.
Wait.
Pero apunta por otro lado.
Vamos.
Ay, se
We got the girl!
I thought it'd be a boy. I'm mad. Good morning, YouTube. It is currently 8:18. I'm washing my face right now. I'm getting ready for church, but usually I go to the 11 o'clock service, but today I challenged myself to go to the 9 o'clock service, so I'm trying to hurry up so I can make it on time. And I'm trying to do a TikTok as well because I'm trying to get more content. I'm almost at 10,000 followers on TikTok. I need like 300 more, so go follow me on TikTok. So I'm like such a cold person, so bodysuits been my thing. So I'm gonna wear this black bodysuit. I love me a turtleneck, like love. I'm just trying to fix out the collar. So I'm wearing these black pants that I got from Goodwill. I forget when I got them, but they're one of my favorite pants. I love Grwm, if you didn't know. I'm wearing these boots that I got from Burlington. They're super cute and go with everything. If you have not used Bare by Victoria's Secret, you need to run, not walk, because I just love this perfume. Like, yeah, I like to spray myself down.
Let me tell you something. God has a way of messing up your plans. Because every point I wrote down, none of them was there. None of them was there. But it was something that I experienced on the cruise that God used for Psalms 96.
This is for my ladies who want to get closer with God. I found this Bible study on TikTok. It's completely free. It's every Tuesday at 6:30. Last week was my first time and I loved it. Comment or message me if you want to join. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and have a blessed day.